Mission and vision statements aren't just corporate buzzwords. They're powerful tools that give your business clarity, direction, and purpose. For roofing companies, they can be game changers. Your mission statement keeps you grounded in the present, defining what you do and why you do it. Your vision statement, on the other hand, looks ahead, painting a picture of the future you're striving for. Together, they shape your business decisions, keeping your team motivated and build trust with your customers. Think about it. When you have a clear mission, it's easier to prioritize tasks, make smart investments, and recognize the right opportunities for growth. Customers also appreciate businesses with a strong sense of purpose. When they see what you stand for, they feel more confident choosing you. And your team? They're more engaged when they know they're part of something meaningful. A strong mission and vision create a sense of pride, unity, and motivation in their work. But these statements aren't just internal tools. They should guide your branding and marketing as well. Your website, social media, and every customer interaction should reflect them, ensuring consistency in your messaging and reinforcing your reputation. So how do you create a mission and vision statement for your roofing business? Start by reflecting on your purpose. Why did you get into this business? What problems do you solve? How do you stand out? Your mission should be concise, 1 or 2 sentences that clearly communicate your values and commitments. For example, we provide dependable, high-quality roofing services tailored to meet every homeowner's needs. Your vision should be aspirational, but achievable. Think long-term. Where do you want your business to be in 5, 10, or 20 years? How will it impact the industry, your community, or the lives of your customers? A strong vision statement might be something like, to become the most trusted roofing company in North America, known for innovation and superior customer care. Once you've defined your mission and vision, don't just file them away. Use them. Share them with your team. Feature them in your marketing and let them guide your decisions. And as your business evolves, revisit them to ensure they still align with your goals. At the end of the day, mission and vision statements aren't just words. They're the foundation of a strong, purpose-driven business. So take the time to craft them thoughtfully, stay true to your values, and watch your roofing business thrive. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on growing your business. See you in the next video. Radford out.